I tried doing something today. Well, actually a little bit of yesterday too. My impact drill driver has a toggle switch and it's broken. So I went into Blender and I modeled myself a little piece. I've gone through a couple different versions. This one's the first one, and it has some little ridges that aren't quite as high. It's a little bulky, and the middle part is a little bit not as wide. This one is sanded down. This is my second version, and it looks a lot better. It actually fits. And then when that's done, I'm going to test to see if the final print is good. Until then, we'll see what happens. The print is done. Technically I have it in my pocket, but for the sake of this video though, let's go get it. All right, here we go. And I don't even know how to get this thing off. Okay, don't break it. That's mission number 1. Don't break it. Oh, there it is. Okay, guys, we got this thing back. Does that ever get annoying for anybody else, or is it just me? So I have the new piece. Here's the old piece. Here's the new piece. But before we put this piece on, I'm just gonna give us a little brush, and then I'll be right back. Give me a hot sec. Okay, I'm back. I brushed it off. I don't know if you can tell, but it does look a little cleaner. I do like that. Let's go ahead and see if this thing fits. I have to file this part in the middle down. Oh, well, that felt pretty good. Oh, I think this might be it. Oh boy. It works. Oh my word, it works. It actually works. So I went through 3 versions. The first version was just basically like, is everything right? And then the second one was showing that things need to be, tweaked a little bit more. And then the third one, I finally got it, and it just feels so smooth. It's really good. It's not perfect, but it definitely does the job well. It's also very low profile. Yeah, but like it was super easy to make. Probably took me like what? 5 hours total, maybe, to make it. Yeah, I just used Blender and used a caliper, and that was basically it. I just made it. Now I've got a fully replaced functional impact driver. It's for Bosch, not sponsored, by the way. Let it be a reminder to you that you don't need to just throw something away or get a different one just because a little piece broke. You can always fix it. Special thanks to my grandpa, who was the one who actually gave me this, and he told me that it was broken, but he was like, it's a really good tool, and I know you can use it, and I have been using it ever since then. And Grandpa, you've always been fixing things, and I just want to kind of remind that you have impacted me in that same way that this is also an impact driver. So that was a great pun. My dad's gonna be like, "Yeah, that's my son." Special thanks to this guy. Thanks for commenting on stuff and just really believing in me and just kind of pushing me. You probably didn't know you were doing that, but I really appreciate that. Thanks. If you want to, subscribe so you can stay tuned for future projects. Or just anything else that I do, because I don't just do projects, I do like short film tests and stuff like that and short films. So there you go.